No need to be afraid. This is Sir Gregor. He's friends with all my friends. Run along now.
Varys's little birds.
Your little birds now, Your Grace.
What did you do to him exactly? I haven't been able to get a clear answer.
Oh, a number of things.
Does he understand what we're saying? I mean, to the extent that he ever understood complete sentences in the first place.
He understands well enough.
So tell him to march into the sept and crush the High Sparrow's head like a melon.
The High Sparrow has hundreds of faith militants surrounding him. Sir Gregor can't face them all, and he won't have to. He'll only have to face one.
Has the faith level official charges yet?
Not yet.
That's just one trial by combat I look forward to watching.
Don't stop at the city. I want little birds in Dawn, in Highgarden, in the north. If someone is planning on making our losses their gains, I want to hear it. If someone is laughing at the queen who walked naked through the streets covered in shit, I want to hear. I want to know who they are. I want to know where they are.